Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to dive into an amazing underwater adventure? Today, we're going to meet some incredible ocean creatures. We'll start with the gentle Dugong, who loves to munch on seagrass. Then, we'll swim with the playful sea lion, always ready for fun. Next, we'll visit the mighty Walrus, the champion of the Arctic seas with its long, shiny tusks. But that's not all. We'll also meet the majestic Orca, also called the killer whale, and the sleek, super-fast swordfish with its sharp, pointy nose. So, are you ready? Let's jump in and explore together. Look, there's the Dugong. Isn't it amazing? Dugongs are also called sea cows because they love eating seagrass. Just like cows eat grass on land, Dugongs are shy and gentle creatures that spend most of their time gliding through the water. Can you pretend to glide like a Dugong? Whoa! Look at that sea lion go! Sea lions are like the acrobats of the ocean. They can swim super fast and love doing flips and spins. Can you spin around like a sea lion? They're always ready to play and put on a show. Wow! Look at that walrus with its long tusks. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves onto the ice and even to protect themselves. They love lounging around in the cold Arctic waters. Brrr! Can you pretend to wiggle like a walrus and flap your flippers? Here comes the Orca, also called the killer whale. Orcas are powerful hunters and work together in groups called pods. They're super smart and can communicate with each other using sounds. Can you make a whale sound? Whoa! Orcas are the kings and queens of the ocean. Zoom! Did you see that? It's the swordfish, one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. Its long, pointy nose looks like a sword, which it uses to cut through the water. Whoa, it's so fast! Can you pretend to swim super fast like a swordfish? Go, go, go! Wow, what an incredible adventure we had today. We met the gentle Dugong, the playful sea lion, the mighty walrus, the majestic orca, and the speedy swordfish. Each one is so unique and amazing. Which one was your favorite? Let us know. And remember, the ocean is full of wonders waiting for us to explore. Thanks for diving into this adventure with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun journeys. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming big. Bye!